Uses high-quality Koyo bearings and races. Material: alloy steel, rubber, gasket material, marking compound, threadlocker. Complete installation kit. Included in the USA Standard Master Overhaul Kit are carrier bearings and races, pinion bearings and races, pinion seal, complete shim kit, ring gear bolts, pinion nut, crush sleeve, if applicable, thread locker, marking compound with brush and gasket. Top reviews from the United States. Good deal, I suppose. All sealed up, heaps of shims, timkin bearings. Quality kit. Installed my ring and pinion easily, a tad more Loctite would have been nice in the kit, used lubelocker Diff gasket and tossed the cork one.